This week's video is actually going to have a bit of a treat for you. It's going to be a rare treat because I've actually filmed myself talking to you. So let's get into it. Hey there, in today's video I'm excited to share with you what I've been preparing for my Patreon channel. So my behind the scenes tier is looking at my current projects and what I've been working on, such as this particular portrait, as well as my studio makeover. Second tier has a mini tutorial on pan pastels, and the top level, tier 3, I'll be showing you in real time how I've been working on this particular pet portrait. So I'm really excited to... So the sign up link is below, and I'm really looking forward to you joining me on this new journey. So I'll see you soon. Bye.